So the ingredients are the lemon juice. I have here 200 milliliters, 400 milliliters of water, just water from the bottle. You can use water from the tap since we will boil it, and we have 250 grams of sugar. It could be that after you try, you can add more or less sugar, more or less lemon. These are just the ingredients that I indicate to you, but you can a bit vary the grams and milliliters because the acidity of your lemons could be different. They could be more acid or less. So you must try and see if the ingredients proportions are okay for you. Now I'm going to squeeze 200 milliliters of lemon juice. All the ingredients I will write in the description below, also the quantity. So I just cut and proceed. The next step that we are going to do is to add water and the sugar, and it's a bit wet. So right now we have to put them to boil, and we're going to boil sugar and water. And after you started to see the bubbles, you have to boil another 10 minutes until you get the sugar syrup. Right now I already boiled and cooled down the syrup, the sugar and water mixture. Now it's absolutely cold and I can add the lemon juice. Just add, stir a bit. And now you can put it in a plastic container or ceramic like this one, any container, and just let it freeze for around 40 minutes, and then I show you what happens after that. I've got to tell you that right now you must try lemon and sugar taste and see if you want to add more sugar or lemon, and then you can freeze it. So guys, after approximately 40 minutes or so, you must have a mixture that started to have ice on the edge and on the bottom. You must just move around with the fork and continue to keep it in the freezer, and I will show you after 2 hours how it will look like. Guys, yesterday I could not finish my video, and so now I'm just showing you the end result. This is how it looks like after one night in freezer. Just mix it with fork and you will have an awesome result of tiny ice pieces with lemon juice. That's awesome. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.